Large cutting widths 4. Ease of processing. Cutting different workpieces, reducing the time for head change, and greatly improving the production efficiency. Automatic height fixing, lifting laser head. Independent smoke exhaust, quickly eliminating smoke and dust pollution. Real-time monitoring of digital display current and accurate regulation of energy output. Electrical cabinet equipped with wire markings, neat and well laid out. Equipped with silent fan to ensure that the light path is kept clean. Coordinated output of enhanced power for extended continuous duty.
Acrylic cutting presentation.